Okay, now in this tutorial I will show you how we can compare two groups actually with a box plot in R. So sometimes we want to have a comparison between two groups. Let's say we have a control group and a treatment group. So let's make up some data. So control, that's our variable for the control. Let's say we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do another one. And let's say we want to have a treatment group. Treatment, and this variable contains, say, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, good. So we've got assigned the values, and now we can do a box plot of both of these things. So we just simply write box plot, and we say control, and we also want the treatment in our box plot, and click enter, and we've got our box plot of the data, which looks quite nice, but of course we would like it a little bit more labeled, so we can do that. We can change that, so I just simply copy that here, box plot, and first of all, let's change the y-axis. What we want is that here 1, that was our control here, and 2, that was our treatment. So we do that with the names function. Names equals, and we use C. So this was the control. And we also have then the treatment group. Treatment. We want to tell the reader that these are the experimental groups. So that would be on the X label. X lab equals, let's call it experimental groups with a P. And the Y data, these are the Y lab equals measurements, and of course we want to give it a nice title. Main equals comparison control versus treatment. And if we've done everything right, then we should see that we can add the labels. And voila! So we've got our control, treatment, experimental group, measurements, and a nice title. Very easy, nice box plot in just simply one line that we can do. So R is really cool.